today we're going to be talking about the 4-week kitchen. This is a new concept for Oneida Builders. And Rocco, tell us a little bit about the 4-week kitchen.
Well, it's self-explanatory, but we wanted to make sure that we could renovate a kitchen, give you white glove service, and do it in 4 weeks or less. We do an 8-week kitchen, but it's a little more detailed, tear a lot of load-bearing walls out. So with the 4-week kitchen, it's more cost-effective, and we just wanted to cater to a different clientele, where we give some choices, 5 or 6 door styles, 5 or 6 granites, and just be able to service the need for that type of clientele.
Well, it's certainly beautiful. It's nothing, I mean, the materials are still beautiful. You
Yes.
can use all the right, materials for your countertops, whatever
Sure.
you want for your own taste and your cabinetry. I do want to start with, I was one of the first people who got a chance
That
to
was
take part
awesome.
in the 4-week kitchen. So let's take a look at the video
Okay.
from that 4-week kitchen.
All right.
We bought the house in 2004, and at the time we picked our finishes, and I thought they were so pretty. We got up one morning and we had this water leak. That's really what got us thinking about remodeling the kitchen, was the insurance claim. I never thought of Oneida as a fit for me because I knew that I was not going to spend $100,000 on a kitchen. I had heard that they started doing what they call the 4-week kitchen.
What I was trying to do is give the client white glove service at well affordable cost.
The financing is perfect, and I think it's amazing that Oneida is offering this. And it's a great rate, it's affordable, and it just makes sense.
All of our choices, cabinets, granite, and tile are in stock. And we feel that they compare with all the other custom choices. Our stock choices are as good, if not better, than stuff that you wait 8, 12, 14 weeks for.
This 4-week kitchen was absolutely perfect for us. So the first part was to meet with Rocco Siniscali and his designer, Melina Mast. All right, so this is the kitchen.
Okay,
Definitely a little opportunity for us.
yeah, a little dated. Nice open concept.
Yeah, and I love the painting. It'll go good with the new cabinets.
Yeah.
Donna worked with our designer and made all of her selections. Cabinets.
Okay.
Beautiful.
It's actually just cream with a butterscotch glaze.
Yeah,
is what
it's
it is.
beautiful. I like it.
Granite, tile backsplash,
That's really pretty.
right down to the door handles.
It was great to be able to work with a really good designer.
I have to
No,
repaint
you're
the
not
whole.
gonna have to redo that. It even goes really good with your light fixtures.
We placed her order, and within 2 weeks, her cabinets are going to be in stock. Once that gets delivered, we're going to schedule her job from start to finish.
They demolished the kitchen, and I couldn't believe how quickly they were able to do that. They did put up dust barriers. They sort of closed off the kitchen for us, and we didn't have to worry about dust.
We're going to communicate with Donna each week. She gets an email for the following week.
They brought over the cabinets one day and then installed them the next day. I just keep visualizing, when's it going to be over? I can't wait to see it.
Donna's job, I really believe we can finish in 3.5 weeks.
The next step was to install the backsplash. It was like an orchestra, and everybody played their part, and then it went so quickly and efficiently, I just couldn't believe it.
The best thing about Donna's job is she's going to get exactly what she talked about, and that's the beauty. It's setting expectations and then me implementing them and meeting the expectations.
I didn't even know that I wanted or needed a new kitchen, so I'm shocked when I walk downstairs and I look at it and I'm so thrilled. I'm literally, every day when I look at it, I think, I can't believe I live here. This is so beautiful. It's added so much to our home.
She's going to love me when we're there and love me when I'm gone.
So as I mentioned in there, I didn't even know I wanted a new kitchen, but this was so affordable. It was so easy to do. And another point that I made is I didn't want to take all that time. I mean, this is so quick and efficient. I think we finished in about 3 weeks.
Yeah, 3.5 weeks. Yeah. Well, what makes it work is the people behind us. I mean, we've got a great designer. We've got one of the best on-site supervisor, which is myself. I'm the owner. Office administration and estimators. So the Oneida team is really able to be very efficient, and it's enjoyable. That's what I love about this. It's so enjoyable to get the plan on paper, draw it, and then execute it. We're not making decisions in the field. Everything has been laid out. We build it on paper, and that's really why it works.